are just ridiculous. Now, I also wanted to pick up this case here with this 14-year-old Price Johnson, right? This Price Johnson case, people just a bother me, man. You understand? This Price Johnson case just a bother me from me see the video with our mother. It just a bother me. But police has identified the person that is suspected to have unalived the 14-year-old young lady, Price Johnson. And the police is still seeking help from the public, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't hear anything, let the police know. Because Damian Manderson, who is the superintendent, the police department, in St. Andrew, says that Imani Lignott is the person that is wanted for questioning for the unaliving of 14-year-old Price Johnson. Now, Imani Lignott is off 20 Crescent Road in St. Andrew. But what a guan pan, what a guan. The mother of the 14-year-old Price Johnson is saying that she don't know where to find this youth here. Now, Johnson was SA'd and viciously attacked in her home in the apartments of Palm Groves complex of Spanish Town Road. Now, she succumbed to her injuries at the hospital, but what me confused about is how come nobody no see who escaped the location, but people hear screaming. Madison, who is the superintendent, also urged members of the public to stop circulating nude image of this deceased. What? Call it distasteful and unacceptable. You see how my people them call utterly low. Them no have what them call morals. It's a 14-year-old underage bikini. 14. And somebody go in there when them find a little girl unalive and take picture and send it round. What a sick society. Wow. The superintendent also appealed to the public to do what's right, to assist the local police in the matter. Jah Rastafari. Now, the authorities are urging anyone with information on Lignott's whereabouts to contact 119, to call 876-832-9082 immediately. But something just don't seem right with this case. This youth don't even look like him real. You hear me? That the youth that don't look like him real. The authorities are asking to assist, to help this person where I and I man feel like he's a shadow person. The police will be continuing their investigation, and they're going to assure that the public's safe. Ja. Now, R.I.P. to the 14-year-old, Price Johnson, and condolences to the family. But for some reason, like me said, something don't seem right. You hear me? How a little girl I got in her house, a madman from Crescent Road I go forward in and dealt with her, SAR, and then done her. And other people in the house asleep. Make that make sense. And people hear nice. But nobody no see nobody when them a leave. An apartment. That mother they weird. Me I tell you, from I see her on the TV and she a cry and not a drop of water run out her eye and she just lost her 14-year-old. Something in my blood run cold. You hear me? Something no right. People, on a leave a comment and make me know if I'm me wrong or if you not feel me right. Me I tell enough families and friends, it just doesn't add up. It not add up. It really, really not add up. Me I look and see if me still have the video. When me sight this here woman here, a ball. She not cry now, she a holler. Not one tears run out of this woman eye, people. I have never seen nothing like this. You hear me? Me never see a person lose them 14-year-old. And them a ball say, all them want right now is for the people them strong round her. So me I say, wait. You lose your picnic? Yeah, it look like say me have the video there, so. Ah, you lose your picnic. It don't make no sense what you say. A young 14-year-old. Boy. Right now, my youngest youth 15. And it wouldn't break me down. But she could have cried and just cried out her tears at the time. But I am telling you, when I look in this mother's face, them name Imani, Lignott as the person, and the way me hear she attack, it sounds like she know this youth here. And they allow this youth here to forward round this girl. It's just a shame. It just don't make no sense, my families and friends. It really just don't make no sense. So, I want you to pre that video, yeah. And I want you to tell me what you think about this video, yeah.
God, you may live, Father God, and we could go again and dead this man. No, man. No. No, Christ. Christ. Me can't believe. God. Father God. If you don't be sick, come here, so no. God, come here, so. Jesus. Jesus. I never want to lose my daughter like that. Lose my daughter. Very terrible, very terrible. I'm losing my 14-year-old daughter. But guess what? It's God. God knows everything. And God now carry so far and leave me. No time at all. So I'm able to just give God thanks. My hurt, yes, I'm feel it. But I just saw. Just want everybody can just come for me and just talk to me. That means everybody can do that for me, for my little girl.
Understand. So, you know anything about the person who did it to her? You know anything about him?
No, we don't know nothing about him. Nothing. I never see him yet, or nothing. I don't know him. I just surprised asleep, because if him they do stand at the door price, only let him in. Cause if me asleep, you come to come call the price. Oh, mommy not there here. And them see me and say, the price. Oh, you tell the man say me not there. Mommy you asleep, man. You sleep, man. Cause you're old, man. If you sleep, man. I say, but price gonna make him come I want to see. But make him go on, man. She's that person.
So was
If
the
she
door
never
open
was
today?
asleep, you can just drop the door. Cause now I'm not lock my door. Don't lock my door normally.
In
Then my
a
daughter call
Spanish
me and tell me
town.
now. By the time we reach the scheme now, everybody I say she dead, she dead. I say no, she not dead, man. God nah make me lose her. God nah make me lose her. I just say I'm going to go down on the public now. But the way I see all these social people, them attack, woman attack to me. So, I'm going to say twice, miss, don't go when I know she dead. Just say why I say yes, because the way my body feel, I know say my daughter dead. But yes, so I never want to lose my daughter like that. I lose my daughter irritable, very terrible. I'm lose my 14-year-old daughter. But guess what? It's God. God know everything. And God not carry so far and leave me. No time at all. So I'm every just give God thanks. My hurt, yes, I'm feel it. But I just saw.
Hey, people. Me I telling the people, this woman eye don't look right. You hear me? Her eye don't look right. Something in a something. No way. She chat to the camera the whole time and not looking at the camera. One drop of water now come out her eye. And she a blame madman about Imani Lignott from 20 Crescent Road. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on that one yeah, if you think says something don't right. You are Ganti. I'm Rastafari Soldier here shining a light on this 14-year-old Price Johnson was taken out. They're saying it's by Imani Lignott of 20 Crescent Road, St. Andrew. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't feel it's no Imani Lignott. I don't even think Imani Lignott exists. For some reason, me have me eye pan the mother. For some reason,